Hello friends, today we are going to talk about knee pain in young people. I get so many young patients with a knee pain. Most of them have injury history, like they have damaged cartilage in the knee, or they have torn their ligaments, or they have damaged their meniscus during the knee injury. But we also have many patients who don't have any history of specific injury, but still they feel the knee pain mostly when they are climbing up and down the stairs, or when they are sitting for long duration, or when they are doing squats, when they are standing up from the sitting position or from the squatting position, or if they are sitting cross-legged. So the most common reason of this kind of pain is chondromalacia patella. So this is the anatomy of your knee. This is the upper bone femur, this is the lower bone tibia, and this is the patella. We have a thick layer of cartilage over each bone in every joint of the body. In chondromalacia patellae, there is a damage of the cartilage beneath the patella and on the femoral groove. When it develops, then we experience pain or discomfort on these activities. So now, what are the methods to treat this condition? In chondromalacia patella, PRP, platelet-rich plasma, works very well. It has been proved in many scientific studies and data that when we inject platelet-rich plasma, PRP, which is made up from your own blood, and it has lot of platelets, growth factors and stem cells, when we inject that into your knee, when the platelets comes in the contact of damaged cartilage, it degranulates. When it degranulates, it releases lot of growth factors and initiate the healing process in the cartilage. Eventually, with this, your cartilage is going to be healed again, and it starts its repair and becomes healthy, and you become pain free. It is very important that you do vastus medialis obliquus exercises while on the treatment, VMO exercises. VMO is a medial thigh muscle, and it also uplifts the patella and prevents the collision between these two bones. So with the PRP therapy and regular VMO exercises and some kind of knee sleeves which has the patellar ring, silicone patellar ring, helps in these kind of pain, and you will be pain free and disease free within 1 to 2 months. So today in this video we are also going to show you what exercises you need to do to prevent and cure this kind of knee pain.